Welcome to this tutorial on tips for CyberScout identity theft insurance, a comprehensive guide to protecting your identity and financial well-being. CyberScout is a leading provider of identity theft protection services, offering insurance and support to individuals and families affected by identity theft. First, it is essential to understand what identity theft is and how it can occur. Identity theft happens when someone uses your personal information, such as your name, social security number, or credit card details, without your permission. This can occur through various means, including phishing, hacking, or physical theft of personal documents. To protect yourself from identity theft, it is crucial to take preventative measures. One of the most effective ways to do this is by monitoring your credit reports regularly. CyberScout offers credit monitoring services, which alert you to any suspicious activity on your credit reports. You can also place a fraud alert on your credit reports, which requires creditors to verify your identity before opening new accounts. Another critical aspect of identity theft protection is being cautious when sharing personal information online. Avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access sensitive information, and never respond to emails or messages that ask for your personal details. Use strong, unique passwords for all online accounts, and consider using a password manager to keep track of them. In the event that you do become a victim of identity theft, having the right insurance coverage is vital. CyberScout Identity Theft Insurance provides financial protection and support to help you recover from identity theft. This includes coverage for expenses related to resolving the identity theft, such as legal fees, credit monitoring, and lost wages. To get the most out of your CyberScout identity theft insurance, it is essential to understand what is covered and what is not. Review your policy carefully and ask questions if you are unsure. Keep your personal documents and financial information organized, and make sure you have a plan in place in case you need to report identity theft. In addition to insurance coverage, CyberScout also offers a range of resources and tools to help you protect your identity. These include identity theft protection tips, credit monitoring alerts, and access to a dedicated team of experts who can help you resolve identity theft issues. In conclusion, protecting your identity and financial well-being requires a proactive approach. By understanding the risks of identity theft, taking preventative measures, and having the right insurance coverage, you can minimize your risk of becoming a victim. CyberScout Identity Theft Insurance provides comprehensive protection and support to help you recover from identity theft, giving you peace of mind and financial security.